Okay, so we are going to go over how to make a custom brush. Now, the one that I made here, I made this by using an image so that I can have cool stamp. So how you want to go about that is you're going to want to go to see where this white box is. It's editing brush settings, and you're just going to click on that. And from there, you are going to want to see. Not showing it right now, but what usually happens is, hold on, I can show you on the other one. That's right, I still have this open. So first, to get started, you want to make sure you have it selected. It needs to have that cool little box going around it so that you know it's selected. So once you have it selected, you go to the brush settings, and I have enable pen settings and stuff. But we're going to go to brush tip, and auto will help you figure out things like the diameter, how big it's going to be, and stuff like that. You don't really need to worry about it too much if you're just using icons to make stamps. So, yeah, there's that. But if you're going to want to build your own brushes, which is also fairly easy, you have the ratio, spacing, mirror, all that stuff. You can play with them and figure it out, or I'll do another video for you. So, when you're just doing these, you don't really need to touch much at all. Just make sure that it's a circle, not a square if you're doing something round, basic stuff. Then go to predefined, and you're going to want to go to plus stamp. And here you will get the stamp from the box that you have highlighted. And it wants to call it Moon 2, and so we'll go with OK. From there, you're going to want to go back in here, and you are going to first want to see if it works, which, yay, it works. Then you're going to want to right click it, assign to a tag, and the tag for this is Moon. Simple enough, right? So that when you're looking for tags, you can easily find it, because I don't know about you, I have hundreds of brushes. And you can import pictures and stuff like that, but black and whites work the best. I tried making this moon one here, and it came out kind of funny. I'll show you in a second. Uh, but yeah, after you're done with that, just go to Save New Brush Preset thing, and then Moon Copy, that's just the name. And you're going to want to load image from scratch, add thumbnail. Don't be like me and have just like two random dots. Make sure that you have a nice, good thumbnail, or you can load an image. Let's see how that works. Pictures. Is it in pictures or is it still in downloads? I don't know. Let's go with that. Okay, wrong one, but close enough. It's a moon. So I want to save it, and you'll notice it pops up here. And when you hover over it, it tells you what it is. And then let's go back to this page, and you just happily click away. Make sure though that it's on normal, not erase, because at first I was like, what am I doing wrong? But I accidentally had it on erase, so double check that. The other moon, see how it switched over to erase? That sometimes happens, so just double check it. Normal. Yeah, I guess that one doesn't want to work. Hey, at least it's drawing. Let's try making that one again. I'll go over the process with you. I'm gonna go File, Open, Open, discard autosave. Okay, standard things we usually do. Remove the background. You know how to do that. Don't have to explain that to you. Um, then we're going to want to select it. We'll grab that selection box and select it this way. And then you're going to go to where this moon is, and it's the edit brush settings. From here, you'll want to go to plus stamp. Okay. And then back into it. Tag, assign to moon, auto, circle, mask type, default, predefined. I'm going to go with darken to make sure it pops up, pressure, and yeah, radian. Let's see, does it appear? Using the right color. Huh, that's odd. In any case, let's see if it works outside. Oh, I forgot to hit save. Yeah, I'll just use that. Save. We'll go to our empty file. It's not so empty anymore, but it's okay. See if it works. Oh, it's on erase again. My bad. I need to pay attention to that more often. Oh, and that explains a lot. Yeah, but for some reason it is not stamping. But let me check the other ones. Normal. There we go. Now it works. But black and white photos come out better. This looks kind of funny, but it gets the job done. And yeah, as you can see, it's pretty easy to troubleshoot through your problems. So yeah, feel free to make brushes out of icons like you can get on free pick, or um, just make up your own. Try not to make them all too similar. Like don't make like 25 rocks or something, because that one would take a while, and two, I don't think anybody needs 25 different rocks. So yeah. Well, that's that.